Good morning and Assalamu alaikum class. It's your English period and I'm your English teacher. Today is Friday, so you have to take out your junior English book and you have to open page number 17. First of all, you have to mention CW and short date at the top of your page. Today our topic is collective nouns. Before solving this page, we have to discuss that what are collective nouns. For example, look here in this picture. A collective noun is a word used to name a group of people, animals, or things. Okay? Look here at some examples. For example, a herd of cows. When we have a group of cows, that is a herd of cows. When we have a group of birds, that is called a flock of birds. And when we have a group of flies, that is called a swarm of flies. When we have a group of dogs, that is called a pack of dogs. And when we have a group of fish, that is called a school of fish. Okay? Now you know that what are collective nouns. So open your page number 17 and let's solve it. Now you have to read out your question number 1. Write the missing words. Okay. Here are the words. In these sentences, we have to put a collective noun. A collective noun represents a group of persons, animals, or things. Okay. So you can also take help from this side. First of all, we have a dash of singers. Let's find from here. What is a group of singer called? Yes, a group of singers are called choir. Write it here. Like this, you have to write it. Then your second sentence is a dash of teachers. When we have a group of teachers, what is that called? Find it from here. Where are the teachers written? Yes, a group of teachers is called a staff. Write it here. A staff. When we have a group of chicks, what is that called? Find it from here. Yes, it's here. That is brood. Write it here. A brood of chicks. A dash of bells. When we have more than one bell and a group of bells, what is that called? Yes, find it from here. Yes, that is a peal of bell. Write it here. You have to sharp your pencils and you have to write in very neat writing, okay? A peal of bells. Then your fifth sentence is a dash of actors. When we have a group of actors, what is that called? Find it from here. Yes, a company of actors. Write it here. A company of actors. Then six sentences, a dash of locusts. What is that? Find it from here. Yes, a swarm and a plague of locusts. You can write any one, okay? A dash of spectators. Now find it from here where it's written. Yes, a crowd of spectator. Write it here. Then your eighth sentence is a dash of thieves. When we have a group of thieves, what is that called? Yes, a gang of thieves. Write it here. Then your ninth sentence is a dash of lions. What is that? Find it from here. Yes, a pride of lions. Write it here. And your last is a dash of swallows. What is that? Find it from here. Yes, a flight of, where it is written. Yes, a flight of swallows. Write it here. You also have to write part A in your notebook as homework. Okay. Now it's turn of part B. Here we have group name and now we have to find out their names. Okay. For example, look here, a host of dash. Which thing has group name of host? Let's find it here. Guess. Angels? When we have a group of angels, that is called host. So a host of angels. Write it here. Then read out the second sentence. A clump of dash. What is group name of this world? Find it here. Clump is name of which thing? Find from here. That is tree. Where it is written, find it. Yes, it's here. When we have a group of trees, that is called clump. Write it here. Trees. A clump of trees. A cluster of dash. Cluster is group name of stars. Find from here cluster. Yes, cluster or galaxy is the group name of stars. So here you will write stars. Fourth sentence is a band of dash. We have a band of robbers and pilgrims. Find from here. Band, yes, it's here. That is pilgrims. When we have a group of pilgrims, that is called band. Write it here. Fifth is a board of directors. Find from here where it is written. Yes, a board of directors. When we have a group of directors, that is called board. Write it here. Then read out the sixth sentence. A troop of dash. Find from here. Yes, a troop of minstrels. Then seventh is a quiver of dash. Find from here. Yes, a quiver and sheaf of arrows. When we have a group of arrows, that is called sheaf and quiver. Write it. A bench of dash. Find from here. A bench of, yes, magistrates. Write it here. A bench of magistrates. A dash. A congregation of dash. Find from here. Yes, a congregation of worshippers. Write it. A congregations of worshippers. And your last sentence is a clutch of dash. Yes, a clutch of eggs. When we have a group of eggs, that is called a clutch of eggs. Okay, now you have to do this part in your book, and then you will write part A in your homework on your grammar notebook. Do this work neatly, then you have to learn this work and send me your feedback.